Northeast Customs today, and this is the mechanic shop of it. They also have a body shop, and we are having the oil changed to the GT350 spec oil. And also, look at this, beautiful. They got a wide body Corvette over here and an Eleanor, my favorite. Wide body Vet. Here's the first part of the install. We are switching to the GT350 spec oil. That's 5W50. And also another big part is this UPR, and it's a magnetic oil drain plug. Now, Kelly at UPR Products told me to make sure that I put the black, not sure if you can see it, but I took the green O-ring off and replaced it with the black one. So shout out, thanks to Kelly at UPR Products for getting this to me very quickly. And we are going to change the oil in here. All right, here's a quick look underneath the car. Here you can see the STEEDA resonator delete X pipe that I put on. Alright, so we're draining the oil right now, and this is brand new oil. There's about 1,000 miles on this oil, and it's Mobil 1 full synthetic 5W20. And we're going to save the oil because someone wants it, so it's not going to go to waste. Alright, so this is the original drain plug, and as you can see it's plastic, and yes, everybody's been freaking out about it, but hey, this is the same one that's on the Shelby GT350. The only problem is that a lot of people have been breaking the clips off. And I imagine because they're not using a flathead to pull that off and just trying to spin it out. But anyway, UPR took care of that, so we don't have to worry about that anymore. And this is the UPR magnetic drain plug installed. All right, here's Ralph and Alex. I want to thank these guys for staying open late for me to do this install because I had to work today. And definitely much appreciated. We got the Bullitt on the rack right now, and we are doing the IRS braces right now from STEEDA. All right, this is what the finished brace looks like. Completely installed, rear IRS. All right, this bolt is being removed, but it's going to be reused. We're going to save it and use it again, but that's the first step. Okay, and this is a threaded plate that goes inside the subframe, and we're going to use that. We're going to put a bolt in that later on. All right, we hung the brace from the center bolt. Makes it easier to work on. And this is the bolt that we removed from the rear that I said we were going to reuse. Right there. just going to hand tight this second bolt for the front of the brace. Alright, so we got the front and the center and the rear bolts hand tightened so far. These are 13mm hex head bolts. And we're ready to torque it down. Alright, so we're finished with the install. So these are the IRS rear subframe braces, passenger side and driver side. Get a better view. So that's complete. We have the STEEDA resonator delete X pipe installed, and also the STEEDA ultralight low profile jacking rails that just protects the pinch welds when you're jacking your car up. So just about everything that I've done to the car is underneath suspension wise. Here we have the UPR metal drain plug with the magnetic tip, and we're just about done. So this is the only modification done up top, which is the air raid filter that was replaced for the the paper cone filter that was original. And we have 10 quarts of these bad boys to do, and it's 5W50, and this is the full synthetic oil that goes into the Shelby GT350s. Alright, thanks for joining me for this first install of the year on the 2019 Bullitt. I would like to thank Alex and Ralph for staying open late and doing the install for me at Northeast Customs. That was pretty awesome. I would also like to thank Kelly from UPR Products for getting the drain plug to me so quickly. Next will be a driving video of the subframe connectors that I installed, and see if I notice handling or anything like that. Now these are to help with the wheel hop, which I haven't experienced. I haven't done much 0-60 times or anything like that yet. But once again, leave me some comments. Let me know what you think about the install. Also, leave me some comments about the new Shelby GT500. What do you think? Personally, I love it. I think it's awesome. Can't wait till I can afford one. That may be a while from now, but anyway, let me know what you think about it. Do you like the fact that it has an automatic transmission or not? I think it's great. All the fast cars have an automatic now. Look at the GTRs and Lamborghinis, and every exotic now pretty much has paddle shifted. So leave me some comments. Let me know what you think, and until then, we'll see you. I'm gonna leave you with just a little sound clip from that GT500. I'm gone in 60. We'll see you soon.